race of the year.
Tickets, tickets, get your tickets.
Hey, I'll take one.
That'll be $1.
Here come our entrants now. I see him. Our first racer is Lightning McQueen. Here he comes, up the elevator. I can't wait to race. Next up is Tow-Mater. Tow-Mater, the greater. Tow-Mater, the greater. Are you gonna be chanting that all race? Yup, Tow-Mater, the greater. Hey, wait for me, y'all. Daggum. Ugh. Don't worry, I got it. Hey, Lightning, you see them stars around me, right?
No, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, that can't be good. Next, we have Ramon. Hey, can you help me with my tune-up? Sure can. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff. Now you're ready for the race. And here comes Sheriff, all the way from Radiator Springs. And next up is Boost. Just a second, I'm getting some popcorn. And finally, it's Sally. Whoa!
Pardon me, I need a car wash. Okay, now I'm ready for the race.
All right, let's count our cars. 1, 2. Oops, sorry, Lightning. It's okay, but we better scram. There's more cars coming. You got it. And here comes Sheriff for number 3. And here's Ramon with the cool paint job. That's 4. And here's Boost for 5. Whoa, Boost just spun out. Don't worry, I'm okay. And now our last car is Sally. That's 6 cars. Hey guys, before the race starts, how about we try some new paint jobs with this? It's Ramon's color changing car wash.
Whoa, that sounds like a cool idea.
Woo-wee, that sounds fun. Great guys, let's open it up, put it together, and try out some new paint jobs. This super cool color change playset has 2 different stations. A warm water color changing splash zone, and a rotating cold water car wash. And it even comes with another color changing Ramon car. Hey, that's my twin. Get me out of here. Don't worry, we'll get you out of there. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. All right, let's get started. First, we need the base piece. Let's set it down here. That way we can add the walls and the support pieces. Looking good so far. Let's turn it around so we can add some more pieces. Here's a catch pan for the water because things might get a little messy. Now we'll slide this grate over these supports. And here's the roof for the top. We'll snap it on like this. Now we need the window and the top for Ramon's sign. Let's snap them in. Then put these together. There we go, perfect. Here's the rotating base for the car wash. Now my favorite part, the slide. This one is for the warm water dunk. Let's add some stickers for some decoration. This one says House of Body Art. That's the name of the shop. And here's a few colorful hoods to accentuate the walls. We'll put this one here. And one more with some more hoods for the other wall. Now we just need some warm water and cold water to start changing the colors. Let's add the warm water to the splash zone. And then snap it onto the slide. Then let's take some ice cold water and suck some up with our squirter. That should do it. And we'll put that here. First up is Ramon's twin. He's got a cool two-tone paint job with red and yellow. Let's try the slide and see what color he turns. Here he goes. Oh, cool, he's changing colors right before our eyes. Now look at him. He's completely yellow. That's pretty awesome. Hey, do you want to join in the race? Oh yeah, I'd love to. Okay, great. We'll see you in a bit. Next up is Mater. Do you want to try the slide? Nuh-uh, I need me a car wash. Suit yourself, but the water's cold. Cold? You didn't say anything about cold. Here you go. Oh dear. Here comes the water. Look, it's changing Mater from light green to brown. That's so awesome. Woo-wee, that's some cold water. Don't worry, Mater, we're almost done. Just a bit more and you'll be all brown. Check it out. Here's Mater with his all-brown paint job. Let's send him off and then try the next car, which is Sally. Here she is with her purple paint job. Let's see what happens when we send her down the slide. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, she's turning blue. Hey, check it out. Now she has a powder blue paint job instead of purple. That looks really cool. I can't wait to see her in the race. Now for Sheriff. Here he is with his green paint job. Green's not the color for a police car. Let's put him in the car wash and see what happens. Here comes the water. Wow, he's starting to change color. Look at that, he's turning black. Here he is looking like a real police car with his new black paint job. I bet he'll be really fast in the race. Now for Ramon. Ramon has an awesome paint job with flames on the side, and he has a purple exterior. Let's send him down the slide. Whoa, splash! What a mess! But check it out, now he's got a light blue paint job. He still has his flames though, so it looks pretty awesome. Off he goes. Here's Boost looking super fast. Let's put him in the car wash. It's water time! Wow, he's turning purple instantly.